Tired of dry air causing restless nights and wilted plants? And frustrated with humidifiers that are a pain to use? Meet the Levoit Classic 160. Its game-changing top fill design means no more flipping or spills. Just one simple step. Experience whisper-quiet operation as low as 26 decibels. It's so silent, it won't disturb even the lightest sleeper. Enjoy superior, even humidification with a powerful 28-inch mist. Perfect for your entire room, your family, and your plants. Easy cleaning, a 25-hour runtime, and a 360-degree nozzle, comfort is in your control. Get your Levoit Classic 160 today.